Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Solana, doing a complete high time frame and short-term technical and structural analysis, going over a variety of different technical indicators, and of course, discussing future price projections. Before we get into it, smash the like button, hit the comment button, and subscribe to the channel. We focus on altcoins on this channel, talking about the facts, the data, and the technical / structural relevant information. No hype, no BS, no emotion, pure raw TA. If that is the kind of content you're interested in, join us on Telegram or check out our main channel, MegaWhale Crypto, where we focus on Bitcoin every day. You can also join us on Telegram. It is the third link down below. You will get access to charts, updates, videos, educational posts, news events, and everything you need to stay in the loop of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and the relevant economic data. If you're also interested in trading, you can join our VIP group. We post trading signals with exact entries, exact targets, exact stop losses, trade justification, exclusive analysis, and more. You'll also get access to our group chats with our general chat, our trading chart and education chat, our news, our trade setup, our daily video, and of course our help chat to get you guys on the way with your trading journey. If you're interested in joining that, head over to the free channel, click the pinned comments for more info. Let's dive right into the video. So in today's video, like we said, we are doing a high time frame and short time frame analysis of Solana. And Solana has had a very interesting time over the last few years, and more particularly over the last couple weeks. We saw a massive run up on Solana in the prior bull run, moving as high as $260, and it came crashing all the way down to around $8, around about $8 as that low. In recent weeks, we saw a nice breakout of a neckline of resistance, resulting in a solid move all the way up to retest our $48 resistance. Now, the $48 resistance, as you can see on this chart, has been marked out by a horizontal line. And we're specifically keeping this chart relatively clean and simple just to show you guys how important this level really is. We can see we had a resistance / retest of this point right over here in August 2022, and we came down and retested and bounced from this point in May 2022. In recent days, we've actually come up and retested this exact point and rejected from this level. And moving back in the past, we saw this level act as resistance in May 2021. And of course, we saw when we broke above this level in August 2021, we saw an explosive move toward the upside. Therefore, we can identify this level, specifically the $47 level, it's around $47, as a high time frame bullish trigger point. Meaning, when the price is able to break above this level and hold above this level, we should officially see Solana enter a macro high time frame uptrend. Now, if we take a look at the VRPV, which is this bar graph on the right hand side of our screen over here, it displays horizontal volume or horizontal orders on the Solana chart. We can see above $47, the VRPV significantly drops off. This actually indicates that we have a reduction in orders at this level. If we see the price move past a bullish trigger, meaning we'll have bullish momentum, bullish volume, into an area of lower historical resistance, we will likely see volatility increase, and we will very likely see the price continue upwards. The next high time frame target for Solana will of course be this local low point around about $78 to $80. That is of course if 47 to 50 is able to be cleared. However, guys, as we know in crypto, nothing is always up. Resistance is resistance until it is not, and this level, this $47 level, is going to be acting as a major level of resistance. A major trigger point is also a major resistance. The more significant this point is, meaning the more important it is that we break above it, the more resistance this level is going to hold and the harder it is going to be to break above that level. So let's break it down to a daily chart and take a look at what is happening on this smaller time frame. Are we going to see a breakout of this level, or will we see a correction first for Solana? Let's dive in. So On the short term, we can see we broke above this neckline level of resistance. This neckline actually provided resistance for around about a whole year, around about 365, 360 days for Solana, and we eventually saw that breakout. What we can immediately see on the chart over here is, of course, a nice strong impulse upwards to retest this $47 level, but with that, we are seeing our RSI develop an uptrend, which is indicating we obviously do have a uptrending, overall uptrending momentum. So we have bullish momentum, and we can see initially some potential divergences play out at the top range. So we are starting to see we do have a potential for exhaustion, and we do have a potential for a pullback over here if we do see a negative momentum shift. So on the smaller time frame, guys, if we do see this RSI drop below, we have that negative momentum shift, that is going to validate a rejection and likely push Solana back down. We actually could see a retracement down to this local high. We're looking at around $32. And of course, if we do not bounce from 32, then we're coming down to around 28, potentially 26 to retest this neckline of resistance. Now, Solana is technically in a weekly uptrend, okay, above this red box. This is a weekly uptrend. We are in a macro uptrend above 47, 48, and of course we are going to be bearish, macro bearish, below 26. If we break it down to an even smaller time frame, let's go down to a 12-hour chart and take a look what is happening. On a 12-hour chart, let's go ahead and delete all that stuff over here. We can see again, we have that respective RSI trend line. It is moving upwards. If we go down to an even smaller time frame, I want to go down and try to find the trend line of this price structure over here. If we zoom in over here on maybe a 4-hour, we can try identify the overall trend. So here's the trend. We found it over here. We draw our trend line in, we can draw it across. What we have over here is an overall uptrend for Solana. Now, I'd be definitely watching this uptrend. If we do break below this uptrending trend line, that will indicate the trend that we have been developing over the last 100 bars, which is 19 days, okay, ever since the breakout of that $26 to $28 range, will have been lost if we break down from this level. That will indicate a shift from a uptrend into a downtrend, and that could push the price down to $32. So if you're looking to short Solana, I would not be shorting it aggressively right now. If you are going to short it, but put your stop losses tight, meaning putting your stop losses above its local highs, just in case we do continue upwards. If you are looking for higher confirmation shorts, wait for a breakdown, wait for a negative momentum shift, then look for a correction down to 32. That is going to be it for today's video, guys. If you're interested in sticking around to the end to find out more about Bitget and BingX, those are the exchanges I trade on and the bonuses you can get from that, head over, listen to the end of the video, and click the links down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. I wanted to briefly interrupt today's video to discuss the two exchanges we use on this channel, Bitget and BingX. So which exchange should you sign up to? If you look to the right hand side of the screen, you're going to see the list of differences in relation to KYC requirements and the countries these exchanges offer services to. The first link down below being the Bitget link, and the second link down below being the BingX link. No matter which link you sign up to, you're going to get up to 15% discounts on your trading fees, up to $5,000 in trading rewards, and of course, you'll get access to every single MegaWhale exclusive bonus campaign we run on these exchanges. Alongside that, Bitget and BingX are incredibly similar. They are both ranked top 10 in terms of trading volume. They both have extensive liquidity pools and market pairs offering up to 125x leverage. And most importantly, they both offer protection funds for their users to protect you against any third-party hacks. So get started now and support the channel by clicking the links below. Thanks for listening.